Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. Today we're taking you around a very recently registered 2024 Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. This is the 150 PS model with a DSG gearbox and in short wheelbase. It's in pure grey, arguably the best and most popular colour in this vehicle. Really lends itself well to our MASV styling package. As you can see, we've got the gloss black pack on the grills and around the vehicle, and very subtle lower front spoiler there. It's got the matte contrast badge. This one's got a great factory spec too, so it's got factory LED lights, as you can see there. Front parking sensors come as standard, as do the rear ones. Been lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. It's got the 20-inch wheels with Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres. Probably the best wet weather tyre out there. Got the angled side bars and roof rails too, and privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle. Little gloss black transporter inserts there with smoked lenses, and the gloss black mirror caps too. Now this one's quite rare in the fact that it's got factory leatherette. It's a really hard-wearing, white clean surface on a factory finish, so better than the cloth. We can of course put a bespoke leather in it for you at an additional cost if required. Now, other factory spec, this one has got twin electric sliding doors, heated front seats, and the Discover Media navigation system with wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Heated front screen and aircon are standard in these. Does have adaptive cruise as well, and a lovely carbon fibre and a leather trimmed flat bottom steering wheel. Also got a fully tailored MASV mat in the front. Moving into the rear, as this is a Kombi van, you've got the 2+1 rear seating option, and all three seats have Isofix fittings. This one's been fully carpet lined in the rear, with LED downlighters in the tailgate and in the ceiling, which has been done in a faux suede. It's a really nice finish. Got the sliding side door windows there too. As we move around the vehicle, you'll see the high level spoiler is done in a gloss black contrast against the vehicle. It's got our MASV badging at the back, matte badge on the VW logo, and it's also got the rear camera, which was another optional extra. Carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector just over the top of the rear sensors there, save getting any scuff bits as you're loading items in. And we'll just take a look at the boot area from the back. So we've got the Kombi rubber floor throughout. As you can see, the carpeting on the sides there. That second sliding in door on the driver's side, really important, just allows you flexibility for getting people or things in and out of the vehicle. And as you can see there, the ever so slight lowering of 30mm with the bigger wheels and the styling pack makes a real visual impact on the vehicle. So moving inside, power folding mirrors on this one. Already showing you the steering wheel and adaptive cruise. The mileage as it stands today is just 28 miles. Purely a pre-registered vehicle, registered to ourselves, never been used out on the roads. Other than to get here, of course. So to summarise, it's the economical 150 PS engine with the DSG gearbox, all the factory spec and additional enhancements that we've put on in the best colour, with the full balance of the 3 years manufacturer's warranty and roadside assistance. We've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website, which is justnicefans.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and we can offer finance facilities too. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please do get in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you. And thanks for watching.